we're back. A simple fast fried rice.
Fried rice.
I can tell you, you can have fried rice for your dinner every day if you use this process. It's that simple and fast.
In the kadai, I've already put ghee and white oil. Now, these are whole spices. There is cardamom, there is whole jeera, pepper, then cloves, and a little bit of dalchini. I'm putting all that into this, and I'll just fry it for a few seconds. The rice will get the aroma. Now, once this is just sizzled, 1 bowl of rice, soaked it for half an hour. That is your Dehradun rice that you take. Whatever container you take, you will take double that, the water.
Okay.
So I will
if you take small amount of 1 bowl of rice, you will take twice that bowl of water.
Now I'm adding in, it will not be very salty, so I'm putting in half teaspoon of salt, a little, say half teaspoon of chili powder. If you want to add some dry fruits, you are most welcome. You can. Let the water boil. And these vegetables are already boiled, so I'm adding this also into this. It has already started boiling, can you see? Now I will.
You need 2-3 minutes
I
for
will
it to start
just
boiling. After that,
add in the
continue.
rice.
This is rice that we had soaked in water.
For half an hour.
Half an hour.
Now this will boil. You boil it on high flame till the rice and water are at level.
Okay.
Okay? It reaches a level.
And this is when you're going to put on the cover.
The gas has to be on. And you cook for another 5 minutes.
And it will mostly be done.
Yes.